Hormones affect almost everything in your body: your energy, your mood, your sleep, your weight, and even how clearly you think. When hormones are out of balance, your body sends signals. Fatigue that won't go away, unexplained weight changes, brain fog, low libido, mood swings, trouble sleeping. Too often these symptoms are brushed off as normal or simply part of aging, but they're not something you have to live with. At Patients Medical PC, we take hormonal health seriously because it's foundational to your overall well-being. We understand that hormonal imbalances can involve estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, thyroid hormones, cortisol, insulin, and more. And no two patients are the same. That's why we don't chase symptoms. We look for root causes. Our integrative medical team uses advanced testing, detailed evaluations, and a whole-body approach to understand what's really happening inside your body. From stress and inflammation, to nutrition, metabolic health, and lifestyle factors. Every piece of the puzzle matters. Hormonal balance isn't about quick fixes. It's about restoring harmony, so your body can function the way it was designed to. If you've been told your labs are normal, but you don't feel normal, you deserve deeper answers. Begin your journey with Patients Medical Patients. Medical specializes in gently helping the patient identify the root cause of their medical issues and then assist them to recover from their problems to help them move forward to good health. Request your consultation today. To schedule an in-person on telemedicine appointment, please call our office at 212-794-8800 or email us at info@patientsmedical.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Our medical center in New York City, Patients Medical PC, 1148 5th Avenue, Suite 1B, New York, NY, 128.